Well, new tonight, as we continue to thaw out from the blizzard of 2018, we're getting a look at some of the people who made it possible to get around.
Ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft played a big role. 10 on your side's Joe Fisher rode around with driver Patricia Nicholson from Uber. She put in more than 50 hours on the road since the storm began.
She says that she's made good money, but also adds that it's about more than that. In one trip, she took a child with respiratory problems to CHKD. She says that it was important to make sure people got to their destination safely.
After taking that woman to the hospital and realizing that law enforcement couldn't even get to some people in the time that they would like to, I just feel like military, people at the hospitals, anybody that needs a ride, they have to get to where they have to go.
Nicholson says surge pricing helped earn her a lot of money. She's made more than $1,000 since the storm began.